Fun Facts with Sally. Hey there, bird lovers! Did you know there are over 10,000 different kinds of birds in the world? Some of them are super cool, and some are just plain weird. Today, we're going to count down the top 10 strangest birds you'll ever see. Let's dive in. Top 10 Strange Birds. Number 10. The Hoatzin. This bird lives in the Amazon rainforest and has a funky smell. It's sometimes called the stink bird because its digestive system is like a cow's, making it smell a bit, well, stinky. Number 9. The Kakapo. This is the world's heaviest parrot and also a night owl. It can't fly, but it loves to climb trees and hop around. Plus, it makes a funny booming sound. Number 8. The secretary bird. This bird looks like it's always ready for a business meeting with its long legs and fancy feathers. It hunts snakes by stomping on them. Number 7. The shoebill. With his giant shoe-shaped bill, this bird looks like it's from a cartoon. It's great at catching fish and loves to stand still for hours like a statue. Fun fact! Did you know that birds are the closest living relatives to dinosaurs? That's right. Every time you see a bird, you're looking at a little dino descendant. Number 6. The tawny frogmouth. This bird looks like an owl, but is actually related to nightjars. It has a wide mouth to catch insects and can blend perfectly into trees. Number 5. The long-wattled umbrella bird. This bird has a crazy long wattle hanging from its neck and an umbrella-like crest on its head. It lives in the rainforests of Ecuador and Colombia. Number 4. The potu. This bird has huge eyes and a wide mouth. It looks a bit spooky and is a master of disguise, blending into tree branches. Number 3. The Inca tern. This bird has a fancy mustache and lives along the coasts of Peru and Chile. It's always dressed to impress. Number 2. The rhinoceros hornbill. This bird has a large horn on its head, which it uses to make loud calls that can be heard from far away. Another fun fact. Penguins are birds too, but they can't fly. Instead, they're amazing swimmers and can stay underwater for up to 20 minutes. And finally, number 1. The lyrebird. This Australian bird can mimic almost any sound it hears, from other birds to camera shutters and even chainsaws. Wow! Birds are amazing and sometimes pretty weird. Which strange bird was your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome and fun facts. See you next time.